dog pose.
개 자세는 등뼈를 바르게 정리해주고 몸통 전체를 늘려주어 몸에 탄력을 줍니다. 탄력 있는 몸은 어린이의 성장을 돕습니다.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Hey, those are some great animal noises. Are you guys having fun? Yeah! Hey, you know what? We've learned 10 animal poses so far.
10.
And we only have 2 left.
Pigs and dogs.
Do you know what they are?
Pigs and dogs.
That's right, the
Right.
dog and the pig pose. Hey, how about doing the dog pose first?
Good idea, Yasmin. Okay, how do we do it?
Lie on the floor with your hands next to your shoulders. Lift your body up with your weight on your hands and toes.
This is the downward dog pose.
Now let's go to the upward dog pose by lifting your buttocks in the air and straighten